Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagre Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's watch this. Angel spirit, please give information para sa ating mga kapatid na Capricorn. So, alamin na natin yan at tuklasin na natin yan. Ito na, now na. Angel Spirit, please give information po. There's the King of Cups. There's a devoted sa 41st. May taong sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo dito, no? Maaring may tumutulong. May nagbabantay. So, let's see additional messages. So, this is something a Queen of Pentacles. So, this is something a good sense pagdating sa interview nyo. Now, this is a mother figure. Now, this is something a mature person being grounded pagdating sa finances. Kung mautak to, na magiging, parang sinasabi, magiging mautak kapag dating sa finances ngayon. And this is something a magician for manifestation. No, this is a power of God. No, this is something manipulative. Na may mga bagay na parang pag gusto mo, magagawa mo. This is something like that. Na parang may mga bagay kang may isa sa katuparan. This is a Six of Swords with the transition. At makakaalis ka na sa situation. And because there's something to Hierophant. So there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So may mga bagay dito na parang magbibigay ng kaliwanagan sa iyo. This is something an unexpected moment. So, let's see what is the additional messages. So, this is a Two of Swords and indecision. May mga bagay na hindi ka pa makapag-desisyonan, but eventually, guys, no, makakapag-decide ka na as of now. No? So, let's see what is the King of Cups. So, this is something a Hermit card. This is something a soul search and soul enlightenment. No? May mga bagay na maglilinis about sa spiritual. May mga bagay na pinapakita dito na maaring may gabay ka. Na may gabay ka na maaring lolo mo, tatay mo, or mahal mo sa buhay na yumao na lalaki. This is something a Three of Pentacles with the collaboration, unity. Now, there's something connections, not teamwork. Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, no? And because this is something a Seven of Pentacles, no? Ibig sabihin katrabaho to or something sa negosyo, ha? Kailangan maging practical ka. This is something a Seven of Pentacles for a harvest time. So, may mga bagay dito with the power of God. Kung ano yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, maaring ibalik sa'yo. This is something a consequences, no? Harvest time paying off. And the Six of Swords represent the Three of Swords. So, this is something a pain, no? Para makakaalis ka na sa sakit at kirot sa mga pinagdaanan mo. So, let's see what is the High Priestess. High Priestess represent the Devil card. See, this is something a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, may nakatago ditong gumagawa sa'yo. Na may makikilala mo na kung sino yung nananalbahi sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Two of Swords or something a toxicity. Na makikilala mo ng toxic. And there's something a Ten of Swords, backstab, sabotage. Na kaya hindi ka makapag-decision kasi parang feeling mo napuputak sa alanganin sitwasyon. That's why, no? Kaya kailangan mo pag-isipan ng mabuti. So, let's see what is the King of Cups and the Hermit card. So, this is the Word card. Represent a travel. No? This is something on success, no? In all aspects, no? In all factors, no? For elements ahead dito. Maaaring kumaga, pinaprotection at pinapangalagaan ka ng iyong gabay. This is Seven of Wands that you are being protected. Or kailangan mo na protection dito. The Magician and the Seven of Pentacles represent the Ten of Wands. May verdant, no? May mga bagay dito na nagbigay pasakit, obligasyon, no? Or something na sumpa o kamalasan. This is something a Nine of Wands for the silence. Kumbaga tikong bibig ka na parang inaalam mo pa, tinutuklasan mo kung sino itong inggitera na gumawa sa'yo ng eksena na kailangan mo makawala sa situation. The High Priestess represent the devil card. So this is the Eight of Pentacles. This is something doing a witchcraft talaga. Now this is something tinatrabaho ka talaga nito. This is something Two of Swords, because the Ten of Swords, this is something separate, Hierophant for separations, religious factor. Now meron talaga about sa spiritual dito. This is something connection na maaaring nagbibigay sa butay sa'yo. Binigyan ka ng pampamalas. No? Ginawan ka ng pampamalas nito. Sumpa. Ganon. Let's see what is the outcome. Pinaka-outcome is the Seven of Cups. No? Kaya naguguluhan ka. No? Maraming opportunity dumarating sa'yo. But suddenly guys, kumbaga, gulong-gulo ka sa situation. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung tatanggapin mo. This is something of Five of Wands by competitions or competitors or either complication. No, magulo ang sitwasyon mo. There is something argument. And this is a tower moment for major changes. May malaki din magbabago sa buhay mo ngayon na kumbaga kailangan, kumalim magiging matalas na ang iyong kaisipan dito. Magiging matalas ang iyong pakiramdam. This is something King of Wands by Visions, no? Lumalakas ang iyong pakiramdam dito, no? Additional messages with an messages for the outcome for career. For the Ace of Cups. Now, there's something a new offer pagdating sa career mo or trabaho, negosyo, hanap mo. This is something investment na maaaring may mga bagay na mag-i-invest dito sa iyo. And this is something a new love. Now, there's a new love connected sa negosyo mo, trabaho, hanap buhay. This is something the Four of Swords by intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, guys. Now, there's something na pinapasok sa inner voice o sa intuitions mo, guys, or something ambitions. Invest wisely, ha. This is a Four of Wands for love life. Now there's something a wedding, celebrations, homecoming, family gathering, and there's the Ace of Swords. So see, family related lang to, ha, guys, no? Inggit to sa pamilya mo or inggit to sa families mo talaga. Now, this is something family related din. It's either kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo, or kaibigan mo, or something surroundings. This is Emperor. Now, you are a breadwinner or something. Emperor is a mature and a person. Now, you are being grounded. Naiingit to kasi, kumbaga, parang, ikaw kasi yung, ikaw yung may kakayanan. No? Or something na may kaalaman. Or may power. It's either finances man yan or career. This is something a Six of Pentacles. So this is something a reminiscence. Now this is something reminiscence from the past. Meron ka ditong meron kang sakit, no? Or meron kang history na pagdating sa karamdaman mo. There's a Six of Pentacles, magiging balanse ka na. This is a Six of Wands for a victory. 666, guys, ha? This is something a blessing disguise happen to your life. Now, may magandang mensahe sa iyo ang ating gabay dito na you need to pay attention kung ano nangyayari sa iyo sa paligid mo. So, let's see what is additional messages with Money Move Oracle deck. With the Money Move Oracle deck, represent what? And of course, there's something public faces, no? Kumbaga, it's okay to be yourself. No? Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. No? There's something earned for reputation, but you need to be strong to yourself, no? Kailangan maging matibay, maging malakas, no? Maging totoo sa sarili mo. And of course, there's something wellness, no? Alagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. Yung lifestyle mo, ayusin mo, yung mga unhealthy foods, iwasan mo. This is something life affair. So see, this is something a love affair. Meron talagang connection to with the love life. Kumbaga, it's either third party, kamag-anak to, kamag-anak ng person mo, o kamag-anak mo, or either friends, no, or something, an ex. And of course, represent, there's something home-based. See, nasa bahay lang to. Ito, trader sa inyo. Kamag-anak to, kapatid, no? Kapatid, kamag-anak, o kaya sariling families. Sariling magulang, gano'n. So, let's see what is additional messages with So, let's see what is additional messages with the Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck. And there is something text message. No, marami kang matatanggap na text message dito for love life. And there's something cheating. Meron talagang cheating na nangyari, no? And there's something, a strong affection with the love. No, may cheating dito. It's either, cheating, there is a broken trust, no? Pagdating sa love life mo, maaring, kumbaga, sinulsulan to, no? Kaya nagsinungaling sa yung person mo. Meron din dito nagbubura na message. What is additional messages for the magical fairy messages? Magical fairy messages represent affirmations, no? May mga bagay na matutupad, may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo. Kailangan always think positive. There is no more research, no? Kailangan mong mag-alam-alam, no? Kailangan mo pa maraming matutunan. No, marami ka dapat alamin dito, tuklasin, informasyon na malaman, no? Additional messages for yin and yang oracle card. There's a reunion. There's an ex talaga. There's an ex coming back. And there's an apology. Isingi ng tawad tong ex mo. And because there's something a distance, long distance relationship, guys. So let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. Maring naghiwalay niya kayo dito, tapos bumabalik siya. Kasi nagkaroon na third party, no, family issues. And because there's something strength card, kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay dito. At the same time, there's a child, no, it's either may mga anak kayo. And there's an Empress card for revert. No, this is something renewal. Kumbaga natapos na, this is an expired for gayuma, na expired natin yung gayuma na ginawa sa kanya. So let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? And there's a yes. Oh, see, totoo, tama. No, ang nasa isip mo. Communication clearly. Kailangan mo makipag-communication na maayos dito. And because there's something improving health, na mag-improve na rin ang health mo dito, guys. So let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael messages. Your inner guidance is real and trustworthy, no? Yung mga maggabay mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo and energy healing works. No, kailangan mo talaga ng healing session dito, guys. At the same time, there's make a commitment. No, kailangan mo mag-commit kung gusto mo makuha isang bagay na yan or gusto mong may sakata para mag-focus ka. Additional messages with an energy. And there's an envy. There's a drama. May magdadrama dito, ha? There's an ego or pride. Iwasan mo yung pride daw. And there's an angel of love na nandito ang Panginoon or gabay na pumuprotekta siya sa love life mo. There's a storm warning. Mag-ingat ka. Mayroong unos. Or mukhang susubukin bayuhin ang iyong pundasyon. And there's an angel of strength. Kailangan maging malakas ka. For romance angels, pagdating sa love life, represent what? Represents worth waiting for, na mas maganda yung naghihintay ka talaga. Divine timing. And because there's something romantic feelings, no? Magkakaroon ng romantic and there's a passion, no? Talaga ipapakita niyo yung pagmamahal niyo sa isa't isa. Kasi nga, this is something unfinished business, guys. No, hindi natapos ang pag-ibig dito, eh. Tapos biglang naglaho, biglang nawala. So, let's see what is a chakra. So, there's an insecurity. No, it's either naiinggit yan sa inyong relasyon and there's a gossip. Maraming marites, no? Maraming chismosa na nakasira ng inyong relasyon. And of course, there is something, an impatient. No, kailangan mo habaan ng pasensya mo, no? Kumbaga, iwasan mo yung pagiging aggressive dito. There's a service, no? It's either a service sa trabaho mo or something, a public servant, no? So, let's see what is the Monsology. For Monsology, and don't let past hold you back. No, wag mo na raw balik-balikan na nakaraan. And there's something you and your loved ones are safe. No, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay ay safe naman daw. And because there is nothing welcome this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation nang hindi ka nagtitake ng action. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a food. Now there's a relationship, no? Pinapalakas dito ang pundasyon ng inyong pag-ibig at ang inyong pagsasama. There's a something journey with the travel, guys. Now, there's a travel talaga. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a failure. Now, may mga pagkakamali na nagawa na maaring, kumbaga, it's an opportunity to learn. And there's a judgment. Paalala, no? Na huwag ka na ulit muling magkamali. For Archangel Raphael, messages. And there's something forgiveness heals. Na kailangan mo magpatawad. para nasa ganun makamove on ka na. And there's something good night's sleep, no? At magiging masarap na ang pagtulog mo dito. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a yoga. Kailangan mo na exercise, stretching, guys. And there's a nutrition. No? Kailangan mo na mga masusustansyang pagkain. Like a fruit and vegetables. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a surrender to the sweetness, no? May mga bagay dito na kailangan mahalin mo, kung ano yung grounds mo, kung ano yung mga bagay na hawak-hawak mo ngayon. And of course, there is a something star ancestors, no? There's a look at the little differ, no? Kumbaga, pinapalalim nito lahat ng mga bagay sa'yo. May mga bagay dito na sikreto at maaaring nabunyag. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti mo na malalaman. For Jesus' loving quote said, and see, it's given the mystery of God. So, sa'yo, ibinibigay na sa'yo yung mga bagay na dapat mo malaman bago iharap sa'yo ang misteryo sa loob ng mga kaguluhan at kababalaghan. So, let's see what is the angel's number. For an angel's number, represent a 044, the gut feeling. So, tama ang hinala mo. Tama ang nararamdaman mo. The follow your gut. It's more than just a feeling. Be real with your people and focus on meaningful relationship. Remember, you will also bring value to the table. Treat others with respect, or else karma will bite your ass. 3 is your crown. So see, kumbaga sinasabi dito, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Now this is something, a signs. And there's an openness. Na kailangan maging totoo at magbukas sa kaisipan, kaalaman, at karunungan. This is something I know that when one door closes, another opens. Today, I trust the universe, I trust myself, and I trust life no matter what has gone before. I have faith that something better is on this way. My willingness to release the past prepares me to accept the many opportunities God's opened before me. So see, kumbaga pinapakita dito na lahat ng mga nangyari sa iyo ay may ibig sabihin. May mga bagay dito na nangyari at may mga bagay dito na pilit binabalik, no, sa ang nakaraan sa kasalukuyan dahil may mga bagay na hindi pa natatapos. No? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 24 hanggang July 31 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capricorn, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo, ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and mabush!